problem says that the mixture contains twice as many pounds of cashews as almonds. So there's more cashews. So cashews is going to be 2 times almonds. And then 3 times as many pounds of walnuts as almonds. So walnuts is 3 times almonds. And we know, we're trying to figure out what is the cost of the mixture. So this is the quantity. So if we take C, we take 3.5 times C, 3.5 is how much it is per pound, and multiply it by however many pounds we have, plus $4 times A, plus 4.5 times W, that's our total cost. And we know this, our answer will be in terms of A. So what's another name for C? Another name for C is 2A. So that's 3.5 times 2A, plus 4 times A, plus 4.5 times W, which is 3A. So that's going to be 7A plus 4A plus 4.5 times 3. 3 times 5 is 15. That's 12. That's 13. 13.5A. So we have 11A plus a 13.5A. So add 11 to that. And that's a 24.5A is the answer.